Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer investment properties with Rocket Mortgage, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer investment properties with Rocket Mortgage, start by gathering essential documents related to your property. Ensure you have the property's current tax assessment, deed, and any existing mortgage paperwork. Log into your Rocket Mortgage account or create a new account if you don't have one. Navigate to the Investment Properties section on the dashboard. Select the option to transfer ownership of your investment property. Enter your property details, including the current address, type of property, and the reason for the transfer. Provide information about the new owner, including their name, contact information, and relationship to you. Upload any required documents to verify the identity of the new owner. Review the transfer details carefully to ensure accuracy. Submit your transfer request for processing. Rocket Mortgage will then review your request and notify you of any additional information needed. Once approved, you will receive confirmation of the property transfer. Keep a copy of all documents for your records in case of future inquiries. Monitor your email for updates regarding the transfer process until it's fully completed. After the transfer is finalized, ensure the new owner contacts Rocket Mortgage to set up their account. Follow up with the new owner to confirm they have received the necessary information from Rocket Mortgage. This will help ensure a smooth transition for both parties involved in the property transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.